Hello my gorgeous loves out there and welcome. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the FabFitFun Fall 2025 box. They actually reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to check out the box and give the products a try, and I was like, yes, please do. I was so excited that they reached out to me. But before we get into this unboxing and everything, if you guys are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Bri. I'm a crazy lover of all things beauty. I love to post a lot of fun, colorful makeup, and I like to do a lot on beauty and all that. So if that is what you're into, then please hit that subscribe button and join this little family. But with that being said, let's get into this video. So I'm so excited for this unboxing. I cannot believe that FabFitFun reached out to me. I'm so used to seeing like bigger creators do like unboxings, and when they're like, hey, you want to try out the fall box? I was like, little old me, are you serious? So I was just really excited that they reached out to me. So thank you FabFitFun for that. But we are going to get into this big old box right here. Now, if you don't know about FabFitFun, which I would be surprised if you don't, especially if you're in the beauty space, but they're a lifestyle subscription. So you could get like home decor, beauty, gym essentials, and you get 6 full-size products that you get to pick. So you get to fully customize your box, which I think is super awesome. And they also have members only sales that you can get like crazy discount on like super popular brands like Free People, Fenty Beauty. If you want to go with the box, you have 2 options for memberships. You have the seasonal one where you pay $79.99 per quarter, because they send this out 4 times a year for each season. And then there's an annual membership, which is $259.96 I think per year, and that makes it about $65 per box, and you save like an additional $60 going that way. You do get some additional perks with going with the annual one, where you get early dibs on picking the products for your box, and you also get early access to their like membership only crazy sales. So they did also provide me with some codes to share with you guys, which I'm very excited. So for the annual subscription, if you use my code, which is BRIANAGIFT, that will get you a free gift of up to $200. And then I have a code for the seasonal subscription, which is BRIANAFF, which you're seeing on the screen, and that one will get you 20% off your first box, which makes it $63.99 for up to $350 of product. Like, what? Okay, anyway, so that's basically the info. Let's get into the unboxing. I feel like I've been talking for a while, and I fully customized my box, so I know what I'm gonna be getting. So like I said, this is the fall box, and I'll show you guys the inside. There's always a beautiful like design for each season. Like, look at that. It looks like a girl walking through like a, is it an orchard? Yes, an apple orchard. Is it that? Oh, it's so cool. But I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful the inside of the box is. I'm struggling to open. There you go. Look at that. That is so pretty. It's just fresh picks. Okay. Anyways, now that we've got that on the way, this box is huge. Let's get into what I picked. So my first choice, which is on the bottom of the box. Ugh, okay, it's right here. Ooh, it matches what I have on right now. Oh my gosh. But it's in this beautiful burgundy, maroony, like fall color. And it is a gym tote. And I like to work out. I go to the gym quite often. So I was like, I need this in my life. It's like, you know, that waterproof material, looks a bit quilted. Oh, I love this. And the retail value for this gym bag is $80. I'll give you guys a total of like all the value of the product at the end. And look at it, it's big. It has a lot of sleeves. You could even probably fit a laptop in here. And then there is like a zipper component right here where you can zip things up. You don't want it to fall out. I just love this. I think this is so cute. I would totally just use this as like an everyday purse to go shopping in as well. I'm a girl who loves a big bag, but the color is everything. For choice 2, which is also on the bottom of the box, is right here. This is from 8 Other Reasons, I think is the brand. It comes in like a dust bag. It is a purse, and I thought it was so cute. So I'll show you guys. I love that it comes with a dust bag. Ooh, this is cute. I really wanted a bag like this color that was bigger. I have like a small option like this, but I wanted like a bigger one because sometimes I like to carry a lot of things with me. And it comes with this strap like this, like 2 straps. And then here is the inside. I could fit a lot of things. There's not any like zippers or anything in the bag, but it feels really soft. So this one goes for $149 retail. It's called their vegan leather slouchy bucket bag. Okay, so this is a bucket bag. And then choice 3, I went with a little bit of home decor. It was like a little bundle situation. So this is from Citrine, the Everyday Collection by Magenta. So in here, it is a ribbed ceramic creamer and sugar jar set. And I just love cute little like home decor kitchen pieces as well. Let me open this up so we can see what's inside. So I'm like struggling here, okay. Ooh, so it's this nice like little cream color, and there's like ribbing, and then it has this right here which has like the little lid. Is that not so cute? I love this cream color, like this beautiful like neutral. And I was like, I'm gonna totally like elevate my coffee experience in the morning by having those little jars. And then the other thing that came in the little bundle, it's like I had to have these. These are the Talking Table pumpkin salt and pepper shakers. I'm a pumpkin girly, okay? I like all things pumpkin and shaped like little pumpkins. So I was like, this is gonna be perfect for fall. And I mean, it is the fall box, right? So there they are. Little salt and pepper shakers. They're so cute. I'm gonna sit this on like my dining table, and they're also in like a white color, so it can like match like a more neutral aesthetic, a classic aesthetic. So I really love that. And this little bundle values for $75 for those little cute like ceramic pieces. I love that for me. And then for choice number 4, I actually went with this one right here. It's from Ceremonia. This is their Guava Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm all about a leave-in conditioner. Like, I have the frizziest hair in the world. So this is supposed to be for all of those moments we've taken our hair for granted. Enter the Deep Hydration Repair Cream, rich in antioxidants such as superfruit guava, helps protect hair from UV and free radicals. Ooh, okay, love that. Okay, it says it's gonna combat frizziness for stronger and less damaged hair. Free of silicones, parabens, sulfates, phthalates, and artificial colorants, cruelty-free formula. So here it is. I really like Ceremonia's like aesthetic. This one I actually have the perfume and hair mist that has the same scent. Now I think for a like leave-in conditioner, I think I prefer the scent more for that. It's like a violet, it's supposed to have guava, and I think a vetiver from what I remember from the scent, but that it has like a clean spa smell. I think I'm really gonna like it in my hair, and then I can use my little body mist and be even more amplified. Then for my 5th choice, I picked the Volition Chocolate Macadamia Hydrating Mask. So a skincare product. This has hyaluronic acid and a vegan collagen. I could use some help with the skin. And this is supposed to deeply nourish and hydrate, smooth the appearance of fine lines. What else does it say? Control excess oil, which I can definitely use help with. Improve the look of firmness, calm and soothe redness. I need that. I love using like a face mask at least once a week. And honestly, what really intrigued me the most about this product is that it's chocolate macadamia nut. Like, I was like, what does that smell like? I bet it smells good. And here is the container. And I just have to smell it. I need to know, does it smell good? Oh my God. Oh God, it smells just like chocolate macadamia nut, and it's brown. It almost feels like a mousse. God, it smells too good. I almost want to eat it. Like, it literally looks like a mousse coming out of there. Very interesting. And then also for this fall box, they will have 7 products, so there'll be an additional product as well for fall. I almost forgot to mention that. And then for my 6th choice, I wanted to do something that was like more makeup related, because I felt like I was picking a lot of other things. And I always wanted to try this. This is from Merit. This is their Shade Slick tinted lip oil, and the shade I picked was Taupe. And I've heard a lot of people rave about these tinted lip oils from Merit. I can't remember who I watch that always talks about these, but come on, like, this is a color that I always love to wear. I love a good taupe. And this retails for $24. Let me see if it has a scent or anything. Oh my god, I accidentally put some on my nose. It does not have a scent. Ooh. But I do like how it feels and like the color. I feel like I should just put this on right now over my little lippy. Let me not try to get any of my lip product in there. Oh, now it made my lips glossy, but I'm gonna have to clean off the applicator. I like that it doesn't have a smell. I mean, I don't mind scented products, but I know a lot of people are not a fan, but this seems nice. It made my lips feel extra juicy. And then for the 7th choice, I wanted to get some body care, and I've always been curious about these like body care products from Rare Beauty. Yes, Rare Beauty is in the box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. So this is their Fine Comfort Hydrating Body Lotion. And I was just always curious in what this smells like. And I am all about lotion, okay? I have so much lotion in my life. I was just curious. Ooh, that smells divine. I want to just see what the texture is all about. So let's see. Ooh, it feels nice. And it has like a very, comforting spa scent. Ooh, okay, I like this a lot. Like, in terms of the smell. And this is supposed to be a lightweight, nutrient-infused body lotion that absorbs quickly to hydrate, nourish, and soften with a fresh, non-greasy feel, all while visibly revitalizing skin with a healthy glow. I love that. I hate like a heavy moisturizer that feels sticky. So this one, I'm all about. There's 8.4 ounces in here. So that was my 7th choice, but there was a lot of options. Like, I was struggling on picking products because everything just like really appealed to me in like all the categories. Because I mean, like, they had palettes, they had all types of things. Jewelry, earrings, and brow products. I mean, like, there's always really good options from them. And the fact that the fall box has an extra product, 7 instead of 6, is even more exciting. So that was everything for this unboxing. All the products that I picked for the fall box. I calculated everything, and in total I got $430 of product. That is insane. Like, that is such a deal if you think about it. For a like $79 box, or the annual for a $65 box, you get so much good products, high-end products, things you'll see at Sephora, Nordstrom, all of that. Now, I know the value will fluctuate, but they do promise that you'll get at least $350 in value out of your box. So I just love that, especially if you want to try these products out and not commit to buying all these products individually. It gives you a chance to try a lot. So like I said in the beginning, you can use my code BRIANAGIFT, and you'll get, on top of the fall box with the additional product, getting 7 instead of 6, you will get a $200 value gift with that. And if you go with the seasonal membership, then you can use code BRIANAFFF to get 20% off your first box, which makes it $63.99, and you'll get 7 products. Totally awesome, as well as, like, you know, access to their great membership sales that they do. But you guys will now have to let me know, what are your thoughts in the comments below? What do you think of the products that I picked up? Have you tried FabFitFun? Are you a member? I would just love to hear from all of y'all. And if you're new here and you enjoy this video, you like a lot of fun, colorful makeup content, you like a lot on indie makeup and all that good stuff, then please hit that subscribe button and join this little family. I would love to have you here. Also, don't forget to check out the description below. I will have the links to check out the the memberships for FabFitFun, as well as my codes, and I will also link the products if you want to check them out for yourself. And I will have my makeup and all that linked, other videos of mine you might be interested in watching, as well as my contact and my social media platforms. I'm also on Instagram as Brici Lifestyle and Brici_Beauty. So if you want to join my Instagram fam, I would really love that. But guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, for being here, for supporting my channel, being so amazing. I just appreciate you guys all so much, and I hope all of you are doing well wherever you are in the world, and just sending you guys so much light and love. But until next time, bye guys.